Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make African black soap with turmeric and honey. This is a very good soap that you're going to use for your whole family and for yourself. This is a soap ball and it is not messy. So now you're going to use a very good shredded African black soap. If you don't know how to shred it, just use your grater to shred it the way you shred carrots. You're going to use a bowl and I'm going to use turmeric, I'm going to use cane wood, I'm going to use honey. This honey is Manuka honey. It's very good for your skin. So you use any kind of honey that you have, pour it in the bowl, pour the ingredients in the bowl. I first pour the soap in the bowl and then I pour the neem. This is very, very important. I'm going to add turmeric to this for the lighting effect. And I'm going to add the cane wood powder. Cane wood powder will make your skin glow and it has antibacterial antifungal effects in your skin and it makes your skin look very, very supple. I'm adding the honey. Add any kind of honey you have. If you preferably you need organic honey, but this my Manuka honey, it's a win and it's very expensive. You can use any kind of honey you want. So what I'm going to do now is to just massage everything together with my fingers. Now you don't want to add water. Do not add any fluid to this. Do not add oil. You can add shea butter if you want. You can add about 5 grams of shea butter or more. Do not over add shea butter. Just add 1%. Calculate the ingredients and add 1% of shea butter into this recipe. Now you're going to massage it. Carefully massage it. If you're tired, have a rest. Make sure you use your hands to massage it very, very well. This is how I do it whenever I want to use black soap for my skin. I have different kinds of soaps on my store, but this one I use it at home whenever I needed it. So I mix it up together so that I use it for my family. Now I am going to add a little bit of, I added 5 grams of glycerin, vegetable glycerin. If you can't find honey, use glycerin. If you find glycerin, mix them all thoroughly. And it is good when it's like this, when if you can able to fold it together, you are good to go. Fold them up together, create a lump size, make it as a ball, create ball sizes, any kind of sizes you want. Any kind of sizes you want is okay. This soap will help you take away eczema, acne prone skin. If you have dry skin, you want to add shea butter to this. Yes, and do not use it every time. But this is a win-win soap. When I say this is a win-win soap, you will not get it wrong when you use this soap. It will even help you brighten your skin. For those who think lightening is brightening, no. It will brighten your skin and remove black spots, all those breakouts on your skin. But please make sure you don't use it when you have very, very dry skin, dry to sensitive skin. Use it maybe once a week. But if you don't have such, you have just normal dry skin, you can use it. Fold them into balls and you are good to go. Look at that. You don't need messy soap and you don't want to mess your bathroom. This is very good recipe and very good alternative. Do not mess up your bath. Those, as I can see some people adding water, adding this is a very win-win recipe. Now I am going to pour it into this jar, put all of them into this jar and keep it in the bathroom. Now every day you want to use it, you don't need to be messing up the hair. Just cut them, put it in your sponge, your hand, the way you're using for your bath, and you are good to go. Guys, please subscribe to this channel. I have so many videos to upload and you will love it. This is the outcome of this soap and the soap is ready to use. You can allow it to stay for a few days before you use, but you can use them right away. Thank you for watching my video. Until I come your way next time, see you soon. Bye.